Alright, yo, what's up everybody? This is Ski here. We're gonna be doing a Discord.py tutorial here today. Because, why not? I deleted my old videos because I found out that I was actually doing them really weird. I was doing them very wrong. And, I didn't really try. So, yeah, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to, do this, from the get-go setup. There will be a GitHub, so I'll leave this link in the description for y'all if you're having troubles. So you can just copy and paste the code from there. And yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm actually going to do this all through command prompt because I am big boy smart. Okay, anyway. We're going to make a new directory. So I'm going to just make it in my documents. And I'm going to do make dir. I'm just going to name this tutorial, and then cd tutorial. We're going to echo, and then I'm just name this let's make it bot.py, just like that. Alright, now I'll close out of that. I was just doing that because I wanted to look smart for the YouTube. And okay, we don't talk about it. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and open this. Throughout this, I'm going to be using different ones. I'm going to be using Atom, PyCharm, Sublime, a bunch of other stuff. But this video, we're using Sublime. So, as you can see, right now it says Echo is on already, or I cannot speak, I'm sorry. Echo is on. Just delete that. And if you guys did what I was doing, which you really do not have to do, I was just doing that because I wanted to. So, now what we're going to do is we are actually going to over here search up discord.py github, and we're gonna go to Raps's link, and as you see right here it says py-3-m pip install -u discord.py. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up cmd. What we're gonna do is we're gonna type this all down, so just like that. Alright, now this is what will happen if it's if you already have it. So now we're going to actually make a bot, and actually first I'm going to have to sorry about this. Forgot to do this earlier. Just didn't want y'all to get a sneak peek, but you know, y'all already got it. Okay, anyway. Alright. We're gonna go to Discord developer. It's right here. And gosh dang it, I'm logged in with the wrong account. Hold on just 1 second. Sorry for making y'all wait. I'm the stupid one who didn't get ready. I'm just scanning it with my phone. Alright, glad that's a feature. Gosh dang. Alright, YouTube, oops, tutorial bots. Alright, now, if you want to be able to find it easier, choose good icon, all that. I'm just gonna do whatever is there, just like hello. Alright, now we're once you did that, if you did that, we're gonna build a new bot. Add bot, yes, do it. And we're gonna keep the name, and we're gonna keep the profile picture. Scroll down here. So I believe if you use this, it won't let your bot join servers that you are not the owner of. So if you're doing a public bot, remember, turn on public bot, and don't choose that if you want. So now that we have all this, we're now actually going to go to Oauth 2, and we're going to click on bot, and we're just going to give it an administrator so that we can have it have every single permission that it needs. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this link, and we're select server. For me, it's going to be testes. Authorize. I am a human indeed. And we're going to be done just like that. Alright. now we are going to go into here. Actually, we are not going to want to close that out. We're going to want to go back here. We're just going to keep that open. Alright. Now, I'm going to go in full screen. Actually, I don't remember. Is there a... No, there's not. Okay, I'm just saying like this. Okay, I'll zoom it in for you guys. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to do import Discord. And then we're going to do from discord.exe or ext import commands. And I also just remember doing tasks. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to do client. So this is going to be the client, so it's going to be like our decorators are going to be like client.commands and then that, not bot.commands, because it's just bare to my roots to say client. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to do commands.bot, make sure that B is capitalized. We're going to do command underscore prefix equals, and this is going to be what you want the prefix to be. So for example, like you would go like for like the Meeseeks bot, you'd go like help, and it would return like commands blah, all that. So basically that exclamation point is this prefix. That's going to make it so that our bot is actually listening to what we're saying. So we're going to make this prefix, let's see, we've got a lot of keys. You guys can make this whatever you want. I'm actually going to make it a %sign. Alright, so now we're done with that. We can now go down and we can do client.run, and this is where we're going to need our separate tab right here. Alright, so what we're going to do, and actually first, as you can see, we invited the bot right here, but it's offline. So basically what we're going to do is, see this token, you're not going to want to give this to anyone. I'm going to keep on regenerating this after every video. And it's not going to be leaked on the GitHub. It's going to say like your token. So you can read it through here. I would recommend copying it and then copying it one more time through here so that you don't embarrass yourself and not copy it and copy like some just a link that you don't want. Alright, anyway. Okay, now that we've got it pasted in there, we're now going to do at client.event, and this event is going to be async def on underscore ready. Alright, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to do print bot is ready, just like that. Alright, now we are going to save this, and we are going to go into our command prompt. We're going to cd into this directory. We're going to go cd documents, and then it was tutorial. This is not case sensitive tutorial, and then it was Pythonbot.py. So basically, let me go over some stuff. So up here, we are importing the Discord module, which is discord.py. And then from Discord external, which was imported through up here, we're going to import the commands and the tasks. So basically a task is like, it'll get something done, and then a command is it's listening for command prefix. So you'll get better into it. But so basically at client.event, basically what this is going to do is on, so basically it's going to say when this thing down here happens. So when the function happens. So when the bot is ready, so on ready, it's going to print bot is ready. And then this is just saying we want to run client, and the run is going to be running the bot token of this, which is connecting with Discord's API and obviously running the bot and turning it online and stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to run Pythonbot.py. Make sure y'all actually have Python installed before this. If you need help with that, I'll show you that in a second. But I would assume all of you already have Python installed since you're watching bot.py video. Anyway, as you can see, bot is online. Just like that. So, now, for those people that for some reason wouldn't have Python installed, we're going to go to python.org. And actually, if you do not know if you have Python or not, you are going to do python --version. All right, as you can see, Python 3.8.6. And then, yeah, if you don't have it, you can either download the latest right here, or you can, let's see. Yeah, you can download one through here, and I'm pretty sure there's more somewhere else. But, yeah, we can go ahead and make our first command. So, this is going to be pretty simple. It's just going to be a simple ping command, and it's going to return Pong. So, what we're going to do is we're going to do @client.command, and this is going to be like that. And now, actually, I have to do ctx. Actually, no, I'm stupid. Sorry about that. We're going to do async def ping. Here we type ctx. Or you can write whatever you want. You can write abc, blah, 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 blah. It's just easier with ctx. So then we're going to do await ctx.send. And make sure that you have this await, because basically, let me show you. So, if we do not have this await, and we just say ctx.send, and we try and run this, it might take a second. Doesn't seem to be doing very good. Yeah, hold on, I have to redo that. I'm pretty sure it fucked itself. So cd documents, and then it was tutorial. And sometimes Python bots will do that. They'll just kind of die on you and have like 5,000 milliseconds of ping, which is fixable, but it's a very strange thing. So anyway, bot's ready. Now, if we try and go in here in, what was it? The prefix was command prefix %. So we're going to do ping. As you can see, it doesn't send anything. And in the console, oh, it's because I didn't save it. Oh, that's probably why. So the way you can fix that is, we can just wait for a bit. All right, now we're going to just go down a bit. But let's just do cls Pythonbot Py, just like that. All right, now if we do %ping, as you can see, enable tracemalloc to get object allocation traceback. So if we do not add await, then it's going to do that. So if we add await, we actually have to match indentation. We're going to save it this time. And what we're going to do is I'm actually going to redo that. cd documents and tutorial, and then pythonbot.py. I cannot type. Okay, python.py. And as you can see, our bot never really goes offline. It will go offline after you have it offline for a certain amount of time, but that's actually dependent on how long you leave it offline. So if you leave it offline for like around 10 minutes, I would say, then we'll actually start showing offline. Or something around that, like couple minutes, yeah. Anyway, now we're going to do ping. Just like that, it returns Pong. So that's going to be the end of this video. Yeah, it's going to be the end of this video. Leave down some comments in the description for the next video. Actually, well, next video, I already have the next video planned. I'm going to be literally making it in like a couple minutes. It's 1:52 a.m. That one's really simple, and it's going to take like literally like a minute or two. But it's just going to be about how to like format everything, and yeah, and then third one is going to be coming up after that. So stay tuned and have a wild ride.